This video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Audible. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright, I'm going to open up a web browser on my mobile device. You can do the same for PC or laptop. And from here, what you want to do is type in promo code for Audible and click enter. And then as you can see, you got a whole list of results here. So you got audio promo codes from Coupon Follow, Real Tell Me Not, Oz Bargain, Groupon, even got Reddit you can check out. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go to Coupon Follow, 50% off. That seems pretty juicy. So now I'm inside Coupon Follow. You can scroll down, have a look what other offers they have. But for this demonstration, I'm going to click on Save 50% off with promo code. Now I'm going to copy this code and then head back to Audible to paste this code in. Look for a place in the checkout section where it says enter promo or discount code, and then paste that code in to get 50% off your order.